Hi guys, welcome to my video. I'm going to go over my rucksack collection, what I use, what I have. To start off with, I'm going to show you my day bags, what I use sort of on my general sort of day-to-day life, my kind of casual bags. Let's go over that. So I've got here the Black Diamond Bullet 16 pack, really good pack. Loads of space in it, what I need to keep my sandwiches. It's my water bag, this one. Keep my sandwiches, all other bits, and then we keep a little first aid kit in here. Perfect. Also, if you like travelling, going around like big cities and that, it's a nice size to carry, really tough and durable. So I'd even take this up climbing as well, just because of how tough and durable the material is. My second pack I've got is the text pack. I can't remember the exact name of it, but I've got it free in Chamonix. I mentioned this in my last video. Really nice. I think it's about 15 litres. It's a nice size inside. Really lightweight, and actually goes down into a little pouch, so you can shove it at the bottom of like a bigger rucksack and use it there. Moving on to climbing packs. What I use. So what I used to use is the Stone Duffle pack, 42 litre. Here to store my climbing gear when I go to the crag or go to the wall. Really good pack. Still use it occasionally. But I've got another one that I tend to use more, which I'll show you next. Really good size. Yeah, again, really tough. Black Diamond is a really good brand. Definitely recommend them. Moving on to the pack that I use mostly for climbing. Again, Black Diamond. See a theme going here. This is the Street to Creak. I think it's 20 litres, this one. Just drain my rope out over the top. Really nice, really padded as well. So I use this quite a lot. Has a nice zip thing down here, so I can store some things inside. Really good, quite deep pack, and it actually stands up on its own, which is a pretty nice feature of it. Moving on to next one is the duffel bag. So here I've got the Mountain Equipment wet dry bag, and this one's 100 litres, massive size. This is the older version of it. Really cheap actually, these. I can't remember exactly how much these are, but they're pretty cheap, really high denier material, so really tough and thick. Perfect if you go on airplanes and travel a lot. They're really good, and store so much kit. I hardly use 100 litre. There's just so much room in it. My other duffel bag, the same sort of thing. Mountain Equipment wet dry bag. This one's 70 litres. I use this more times than the 100 because it's just a little bit bulky. Nicer straps. This is the updated version of it. See inside mesh. The reason why I call these wet dry because they have a separate compartment. Really good bag. Yet again, really tough, really durable. I've taken this to Chamonix, being thrown about in perfect condition. Moving on to my day pack. So I've got here I've got the Osprey Stratos 26 litre. Really good bag again. So it has a nice breathable back here. This I actually got from the Osprey demo list. I think it cost me £15. The only thing wrong with this one is it says demo. I don't know if I can find it, but it says demo on the inside of it. Perfect. It's a really good pack. Comes with a rain cover. I don't use rain covers, but if you want something like that, it's definitely worth it. Nice zip on the front, get loads of stuff in here. Yeah, I use this for short day hikes. Just going out, not carrying too much. 26 litres is more than enough. Just a nice pack, and it's really comfortable on your back. Really good. Fit loads in here. Next one I've got is the Stratos. Yet again, 36 litre. So I use this for longer day hikes, carrying more kit. Sometimes in the winter I'll use this more. If I take groups out walking as well, so I can fit emergency kit. Really good sort of thing. Proper durable, really nice. I've been scrambling all sorts and being it up, and it's still in great condition. Really nice. It has huge compartments in it. I think probably do an overnighter on this if I really go light on my kit. The next one here is my Alpine pack. It's my Black Diamond Speed 40s, 40 litre pack. Really light, really durable. Can be stripped right down for them. Really sort of on a minimalist Alpine ascent. Really nice pack. Wouldn't wear this all the time because it's not designed for sort of a lot of the much rather go with something better with a better back system. But for out in the mountains when it's cold, out in like the Alps and that, it's a perfect pack. It's really good. It's definitely, if you do mountaineering, if you do winter stuff, into the Alps, definitely a pack to check out. So moving on to the next category, I've got this my multi-day trekking packs. I've got the Black Diamond Mercury 55 here. It's a pretty good pack, really durable. The only downside, it is very heavy. Looking at getting selling this and getting the Osprey Exos 48 litre. Just it's a pretty good pack, and looking to getting one of those. Back system on this is really nice and breathable. Good thing about this, the hip belt does move, as well as the shoulder straps has like a wire going through, so when you move your back, it moves with you. So that's a really comfortable feature of it. Now I did my Gold Duke of Edinburgh with this pack, and it was perfect. The only thing is, it is a heavy pack, so it's not light. I'm trying to get my kit as light as possible, just because it's more comfortable, really. So that's that. So that's all my packs, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please tune in on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out my Instagram, Facebook. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.